Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easy way to make payment for pending order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make payment for pending order on 1688. So let's go. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your 1688 shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to profile. From getting to your profile, next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then you have pending order right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then click on here to proceed. Then enter your password. So payment done, successful. Next thing we want to do here is to simply click on here to close this pop-up. By the time you refresh this pending order, it's going to be disappear, just like so. Then we can go back to our profile. By the time we refresh our profile, the pending order you just paid for is going to move right here. So let's check it out. So you have it right here. It's as simple as that. So this is how to make payment for pending order on 1688 without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.